Because 5 days after a biker died in a deep pit, a man has fallen into an open manhole in Delhi and died. In yet another avoidable tragedy in Delhi, a man has died after falling into an open manhole. This was a 30-year-old daily wage labourer. He died after falling into an open manhole maintained by the Delhi Development Authority, the DDA, in northwest Delhi's Rohini Sector 32. As I mentioned, this comes 5 days after the 25-year-old Kamal Dayani fell into a nearly 15-foot deep pit dug by the Delhi Jal Board while riding his motorcycle in Delhi's Janakpuri. This was on the 5th of this month. In this case, the deceased has now been identified as Birju Kumar, who's a resident of Bihar Samastipur, and the sewer that he fell into, we're told, was 14 feet deep. That is maintained by the DA, and preliminary inquiry suggests that the manhole was uncovered at the time of the incident. While we can disclose that the Delhi Police and the Fire Department had launched a search operation, they later have confirmed the death and further investigation is currently underway. We've got a reaction lined up for you. Listen in.
मैंने 112 पे कॉल किया, पता चला किसी डिपार्टमेंट को कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन दी नहीं गई, ना फायर ब्रिगेड को, ना रेस्क्यू टीम को, ना फोरेंसिक को, ना एसीपी को, ना डीसीपी को। उसके बाद जब मैंने कॉल किया 112 पे, उसके बाद सारे के सारा डिपार्टमेंट यहाँ पे आता है, फिर यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन होता है, बॉडी रिकवर होती है और उसको भेजा जाता है। अब उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था, मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाना चाहूँगा। देखिए, ये है आनन फानन में जो इन्होंने, ये डीडीए के सारे अधिकारी यहाँ पे मौजूद थे। ये यहाँ पे इन ढक्कनों को, जहाँ पे कोई ढक्कन नहीं था, ये ढक्कन भर के लाए जेसीबी के अंदर और आनन फानन में ये ढक्कन लगाए गए।
Teji Purandare tracking all the latest developments for us and the action taken by officials so far. She joins us for a live update. Teji, this tragic death comes just 5 days after a 25-year-old had fallen into that nearly 15-foot deep pit. What is the latest action officials have taken so far? We're given to understand that the Delhi Development Authority is in charge.
Well, you see, first it was Yuvraj, then it was Kamal, and then it was Birju, and tomorrow or day after it could be someone else, because now I think it has become a new norm that if it is Delhi NCR, then because of the negligence, sheer negligence of the administration authorities and government as well, innocent people are losing their lives. First of all, I would straight away like you to show you the visuals so as to what must have happened over here. This was the open manhole which has now been covered, and what we are also getting to know from the residents as well, that this is not just the only manhole that was open. There are multiple manholes on the same road that were open, and perhaps the street light as well, which you could see on my right hand side. There were no lights on these as well, and perhaps that is why he could not see that he could not see this manhole, and he just fell into this pit. We will also try to show you the visuals of this entire area so as to get a sense that what must have transpired. But as of now, yes, this entire manhole has been covered. We cannot see as of now any authorities on the ground. However, what we also got to know that it was till yesterday, massive search operations were carried out by the teams of by the rescue teams, and then later in the later evening, the body of Birju was recovered, who, as you rightly mentioned, was a resident of Patna. But now we actually need to raise the question so as to how many more lives we'll be losing just due to sheer negligence of the authorities.
We raise these crucial questions, Tejashree. What is the Delhi Development Authority saying? Any response from Delhi government officials yet?
Well, see, Delhi Development Authority, as usual, goes on to say that we have now taken action, and as usual, we'll also be seeing that some of them will be suspended, as we saw previously in the case of Janakpuri as well, where how we saw that a man fell into the pit along with his bike and had to lose his life. And in the same manner, in this case as well, as of now, there has been no update from the DDA, but also just what we got to know that the manhole was open and he fell. This is the DDA land near the Mahashakti Kali temple, which is in Rohini sector 32, and Birju Kumar and his friend, they both are laborers, and they had been they were walking through this lane in late night when Birju fell into this pit. Now investigations are underway so as to who is actually responsible for such kind of negligence.
Tershi, we'll continue to track all the action being taken in this case. Thanks so much for joining us with the details from Ground Zero.